Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Hello and welcome back, my friends. Let's first start with the progress on the fuselage. As you can see, the right side is prepared for the last pass of sanding and then it will be done. On the left side of the fuselage we are currently right in the middle of sanding, but we should be finished within this week. This is how the elevator now looks like with its trailing edge cut to dimensions. Remember that this is only a mock-up that we did for fitting purposes only, and even though its surface already looks amazing, it is far from the quality which we will be going to do for the real one. But you can already get a glimpse of how good looking the elevator is going to be like in the future. As many of you have questions as to how far we are from the first flight, I want to introduce this new chart here. I will keep it updated and show you the current numbers each week starting from now. In the first column, it shows you how far each system group has progressed so far. The third column states the weight factor of how much each group contributes to the whole aircraft, and the second column between states the percentage in relation to the whole aircraft, based on the local percentage multiplied by the factor. If we look at the airframe, we have the concept done, contributing with 10%, the plug 99% done, contributing with 70%, and having started the mold production, contributing with 10%. So overall we have approximately 70% of the airframe finished, which at a weight factor of 0.5, which means 50%, equals to 35% of the complete aircraft being finished. If we add all global values together, we are arriving at a total value of 48% overall, as can be seen in the right lower corner. Didn't think about the watermark, so I need to move the pie chart to another place next time. There is also some big news. We had a long session with a major aerospace consulting firm to review our current progress. Most things look fine, but the detachable wings had some concerns, so we decided to switch to a single piece wingspar, as you can see here in this picture, as I've removed the fairing, and this will stay at least for our prototype. There is also some smaller change in the engine compartment, where we have improved our mitigation measures. The compartment will get a heat shield which separates the upper area, including the elevator spar and its controls, from the warm area below. This will keep the elevator safe in case of an engine fire for as long as it takes to land the aircraft safely. In addition, we will also change the last push tube, which you can see going through the elevator spar, from one thick tube to a dual thin control rod setup. The reason is that this will improve the chance to keep vertical controllability after a catastrophic engine event. This is also the reason why there is less footage this week, as I have been busy all week to update our plans with detailed changes. If you like these insights, give this video a thumbs up and hope to see you again next week with some progress on the fuselage. Have a good time, my friends. Fly safe, fly Horus.